All right, what is up, ninjas? Welcome back to another exciting video. I hope you like the new studio. It's not quite done yet, but it is going to be super sexy. By the time we're done, we're gonna get some lights in here. It's gonna be amazing. In this video, we're gonna be teaching you how to go from zero to thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. Just in the past 30 days, you can see affiliate sales $143,000. If we go the last 2 months, you see $271,000. And if we go this year, we can see it's $1.2 million, $1.243 million. If you guys want to figure out how you can actually start to earn that much money with affiliate marketing, then you're going to want to stay tuned. All right, guys, so what are we actually looking at here? These are 1.243 affiliate marketing, $1.2 million. We can see that we paid almost $400,000 out to affiliates. And the reason that we do that, guys, is because we value what the affiliates are doing. So how are they actually making this money, right? Because you can see right here that we do have the Kevin David Affiliates Group with almost 5,000 members in it, right? And there's a lot of people in here who are making literally tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars with our affiliate programs because it simply works, right? Because the courses work, because the material works, and because people are really making a killing with the things that I'm teaching. And whenever you're affiliate marketing products that actually work, affiliate marketing becomes so much easier. So we're gonna be going over exactly how to sign up. There's gonna be a link down in the description that is the affiliate area link, right? bit.ly.com/Kevin David Affiliate. It takes like 30 seconds to sign up. All you have to do is put in your information, put in your PayPal information, and you can start being paid as soon as the next 30 days. It's super simple. And once you actually do sign up to be an affiliate, what you're gonna see is this section right here. All you have to do, let's say that you wanna affiliate the Facebook ads course. Let's say you wanna affiliate the Shopify course or the Amazon course. All you have to do is sign up and grab your webinar links right here. Or if you have a friend or family member that you know wants to learn about Amazon, wants to learn about Shopify, wants to learn about Facebook ads, then you can send them directly to the sales page and you are gonna make 41% of that sale. It's as simple as that, right? And the course sells for $1,000. So every time you get a sale, you get $400 directly to your PayPal account, and you don't have to do much of the work, right? Because you can send them straight to a webinar, and the webinar has an incredibly high conversion percentage, so you guys can just simply get paid to do that. So what is the best, easiest, and simplest way to start making money with affiliate marketing? Well, the answer is with YouTube, right? With YouTube is the #1 simplest way. We can see right here that we have, one of my friends, Kelsey, and one of my students. We see Drew here. We can see all these different people have made reviews of the Facebook ads course. And the reason that they do that is because people actually watching these particular type of review videos have shown a massive amount of interest. And so even if these are converting, even at like 1%, which is significantly lower and a very incredibly conservative percentage to actually estimate for conversion here, even if they're converting at 1%, that's still 15 people in this particular case, right? So 15 people times $400 in commission per person. If we want to bust out the old calculator here, we're going to do 400 times 15. That means that she's made conservatively $6,000. Thank you, Siri. And so if we look down some of these, right, this one has 7.6 thousand. So if we do 7,600 times 0.01, which is a very conservative, 76 times 400 is over $30,000. And you can see right here, right, $1.2 million in the past year. There's a lot of money to be made doing this. So how do you actually do this, right? The easiest way is just to go in and type in Kevin David Facebook ads review or Amazon review and watch the videos that have the most views, right? Watch the videos, see what the people are talking about. Most of them are emotional, right? They talk about, I was trapped in my job as a restaurant server, and until I found, Kevin David's course, and it changed everything for me. And here are my results, and X, Y, Z. And a lot of them follow the same kind of strategies and the same methods because that's what people want to hear. That's what people, want to watch. That's what people want to actually feel, to know that they're actually going to be capable of leaving their current situation, right, which might be the 9-to-5 grind, and getting to a situation where they're working for themselves, where they're actually, able to have more of that time freedom. And the second best way by far, right, there's a million different ways to do affiliate marketing. You can rank SEO websites, you can make YouTube videos, you can do Facebook ads, you can do Google ads, you can do YouTube ads. Do all of those things work? Yes, absolutely. But the easiest way giveaways, right, or a YouTube video you can film completely for free, right? And if you don't know how to make one, go type in Kevin David review, Kevin David Amazon course, Kevin David Shopify course, Kevin David Facebook ads course, and see what people are making, right? And some of the people are gonna be watching this video and they're gonna say, oh, well, Kevin's just trying to promote his course. Yeah, well, the reason that I'm doing this particular video, I already have hundreds of affiliates making a ton of money. I'm literally doing this video to show you exactly how they're doing it so you can do it too. So even if 1% of people actually take like real action to do this, they're gonna start making money. And the 99% of people who are saying like, oh, they're not gonna make any money with this. So the second way to actually start to make this work is using Facebook groups, right? So if we type in Amazon FBA here and we filter by groups just in the normal Facebook search bar, what you're gonna see is there's so many different groups here. So I would literally join, all of these big groups, Amazon FBA Beginner Mastery, FBA Winners, Affiliate Marketing, right? My Silent Team, Brax, there's literally a ton of different groups here. I would join all of them. And then people are gonna be asking questions about Amazon every single day. And a lot of times, even if you don't know anything about Amazon, you can still Google and find the answers, right? And like, don't lie to these people. But if you know something about Amazon, or maybe you watch, a lot of Amazon YouTube videos, or you have your own Amazon business, you generally will know more than beginners know, right? So if you know more than beginners know and you can help these people, they're gonna want to talk to you more. So respond to all these comments, join all these groups, respond to people's questions, right? Say, reach out to me if you have any more questions. And then when you reach out to them, you say, well, the place that I learned all of the stuff that I know about Amazon is from Kevin David's Amazon FBA course. And then you just give them your affiliate link to watch the webinar or just go straight to the sales page, right? And a lot of these people will sign up. And I've had affiliates literally fund entire trips through Bali using this exact strategy, right? A YouTube video that took them a couple hours to make, that literally continues to make them more and more and more money every single month, and just joining these Facebook groups, responding to people's comments, helping them out. And then when you actually get into a private message with these people, give them the course that thousands and thousands of people have joined, and that, people like Oksana right here, who made $511,000 last month with my Amazon FBA course, or like Ben, who made $100,000, or like Matt, who made $150,000 all in 1 month, guys. And these people went from zero to that much. Oksana went from $0 to $511,000 in 1 month just from my Amazon FBA course. So this stuff works, guys. And if you are spreading the word, you're literally doing these people a favor. If they're gonna work hard, they will make it work. That's just the simple truth. We've proven it again and again and again. So just with those two strategies, guys, that is how you can affiliate market and start to make a ton of money, even if you have zero money to start. With a YouTube video that's completely free to make, right? You just follow along how other people have done the reviews, and you put your affiliate link. And with joining Facebook groups on relevant topics and actually helping people respond to messages, respond to people's questions, get it to a private message, and then say, if you're interested, this is the course that taught me everything I know. Go ahead and grab it if you want, and you'll get 41% of every single one of those sales, which is over $400, guys. And just one last time, we'll show you right here, $1.2 million this year. We've paid out $400,000 to affiliates, plus a bunch more just via bank wire transfer for some of our biggest affiliates. When we have to pay, over $50,000 in a single payment, we do that with a wire transfer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you tap that little like button right there, tap on the subscribe button, turn on notification bells, and leave me a comment down below with your favorite strategies on affiliate marketing, or let me know that you are gonna give these a try, guys, because it's super, super easy to do so. All you have to do to sign up is click this little link right here down in the description, fill out your information, put in your PayPal, and you are ready to go inside of the affiliate portal, which you see right here. And you even see that I give you all of the things you need to be successful. You can grab all of my ads related to Facebook ads. You can grab all of my Amazon related ads. I literally give you every single thing that you need to be successful inside of the affiliate platform, all of the different ads that I use. So you guys literally will have every single thing that you need, and you just come in here, you say, okay, I wanna send people to the Amazon FBA webinar. Click this right here, copy and paste. This is my custom link. I would put it into a link shortener like Bitly, for example, just to make it a little bit shorter and more manageable. And that is simply it, guys. When someone clicks on this link, you have a 1-year sticky cookie. So if somebody clicks on this link tomorrow and buys my course 364 days from now, you will still make $400. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hustling.